In today's world, our mobile phones have become essential for staying connected with our loved ones. However, there are situations where we find ourselves in areas with no cellular coverage or unreliable connections. Whether you're engaging in activities like mountain biking, hiking, or embarking on a cruise ship adventure, there's a risk of being completely off the grid and disconnected. But don't worry, we have an ideal solution for you: the Orange Dongle. This wireless adapter seamlessly connects to your mobile phone, tablet, or laptop, instantly providing you with local connectivity within your community and beyond. With the Orange Dongle, you can establish connections with others on the same network. These dongles offer an impressive range of up to 5 miles and can even extend the connection further through a mesh capability. Imagine this scenario. You need to send a message to someone 7 miles away. Direct messaging isn't possible, but if you have a single person with an Orange Dongle between you two, it acts as a secure connectivity bridge, ensuring reliable communication. Your message will be transmitted through this middle dongle, bridging the distance. Now, envision yourself as part of a group of 5 people going mountain biking, with each individual equipped with an Orange Dongle. The connectivity expands beyond the 5-mile limit, significantly enhancing your communication capability. Moreover, in unfortunate situations where someone in the group gets lost or encounters an accident, they can send an SOS message, including their location, to everyone within the group, enabling them to seek immediate help. You can utilize the orange tracking tag to monitor objects within a 5-mile range, such as your dog or bike. The great advantage of this technology is that it eliminates the need for recurring expenses like SIM cards and dealing with telecom companies. Using this network, you can effortlessly send and receive voice and text messages, and even share your location with others. So, whether you're exploring the great outdoors, embarking on a wildlife excursion, or traveling abroad, make sure to have an Orange Dongle by your side. If you're planning to travel abroad where SIM cards can be expensive, the Orange Dongle is your perfect companion. Instead of worrying about costly international communication options, simply take along the Orange Dongle and enjoy free text and voice messaging while you explore new destinations. It's a cost-effective way to stay connected and share your travel experiences with ease. So whether you're embarking on a thrilling adventure or simply exploring new cultures, let the Orange Dongle be your passport to hassle-free communication. Don't wait any longer. Join this campaign and acquire your very own Orange Dongle to stay connected anywhere, anytime,